Hello, my name is Julia James, and what I do is I help you find the career that's truly right for you. Today, I'm sharing about how to make success transferable. It's an actual really important component to creating the career path that's right for you. So as you're thinking about venturing into a new field, sometimes it can be challenging. I often experience with my clients that they can feel at times quite frustrated. One of the questions I love to ask, what is going well in your life? So looking beyond career, looking at all the areas of your life and just noticing what's an area that's really going well for you. It could be your marriage, it could be your fitness, it could be your health, it could be, the relationship with your children, it could be all kinds of things. So first of all, notice, where am I doing well in my life? What is going well? And once you've gotten clarity on that part, then it's really important to investigate a little bit more. Like, what makes this area of my life a success? What is it that I actually do in this area of my life that's working so well? And then note down all the things that you discover and that you are discovering about what's working so well in that particular area. And then, most importantly, look at how you can transfer all the things that you're doing well in this one area to your career clarity journey. And then, most importantly, follow your own guidance and use these strategies that are working so well in these other areas of your life. Because really, it's so important that you follow through and that you actually find your calling, find the career that's truly right for you. And so why not make it a little bit easier and draw on your natural strengths that you are already using in other areas of your life? So to learn more about this whole strategy of transferring your success, visit my blog. I've written a whole article about this, and there's lots more to learn. And most importantly, apply it to your own situation and go forward and create the career that's right for you.